Here, as a is a constant, alpha is also a constant. That means this is the sum of the value. Hence, that is limit exists. Value means that means limit exists. If the limit exists, therefore this integral get converges. If the limit exists, if we are already uh, we have concept that if the limit of the integral exists, then it converges. That means here we find that a limit exists, so this integral will be converges. That it converges. Now for next, your first case, and now for the second case, if alpha is less than, if alpha is greater than -1, if second case, if alpha is greater than -1, then limit t tends to infinity, t alpha plus 1 minus a alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1. If alpha is greater than -1, if alpha is greater than -1, that means 0, 1, 2, therefore its value will always be in infinity. That its value is always in infinity. That means whole term will be infinite. Hence they do not existence of the value. That means limit does not exist. That it whole value tends to t alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 here. Limit tends to infinity. So limit does not exist. Hence integral a to infinity fx dx diverges.